Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your math teacher, and I hope you are fresh after giving test. Now again the classes will resume. The topic will continue rational number. I have earlier explained the addition, subtraction, multiplication of rational number, and now the concept is division of rational numbers. So without wasting our time, let us start. How will divide a rational number by other. Before this, you will understand the term reciprocal. Reciprocal will used in division of rational numbers. So look here, the reciprocal of 3 by 4, we have to change its denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator. Means 1 upon the given rational number. Whenever you have to convert the reciprocal of a given rational number, we note down 1 upon the given rational number. Now reverse 4 by 3. Reverse their numerator and denominator, we will get the reciprocal of a given rational number. The process is this one. So student, now the first question in your screen, minus 7 upon 11 is divided by 1 by 3. Minus 7 upon 11 will remain same. We have to change division sign into multiplication and reciprocal of the divisor. We have to reciprocal only divisor, not dividend. Now check, the result is minus 7 into 3 upon 11 into 1. Now result is minus 21 upon 11. The second part is 3 upon 11 is divided by minus 15 upon 33. So this will remain same. 3 by 11 division will convert into multiplication and reciprocal of the divisor, that is 33 upon minus 15. There is a single negative, you can note down in before solution. Now 3 multiply 33 upon 11 multiply 15. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, and 11 1 ja 11, 11 3 ja 33. So the result is 3 1 ja 3 minus 3 upon 5 1 ja 5. So student, I hope you will understand. The remaining part of this question is third one. 16 upon 9 is divided by 16 upon minus 27. So 16 by 9 will remain same. Now divide, convert into multiply and reciprocal of the divisor. So 16 1 ja 16, look here, and 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. So minus 3 upon 1 is called minus 3. Minus 3 will the result. Now last part of this question, minus 6 is divided by 4 whole 4 by 5. 4 whole 4 by 5. So minus 6 is called minus 6 upon 1, and divide 4 5 ja 20 plus 4 24 upon 5. This is the improper form of mixed rational number. Now use process minus 6 upon 1 multiply 5 upon 24. 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. Now result is minus 5 by 4. So student, I hope you will understand the summary of these questions. So student, now the second question is simplify. The process will remain same, 3 by 4. And here is multiplication sign. Now 8 upon minus 7. This one negative sign come at front. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Then 3 2 ja 6 upon 7 1 ja 7 will the result. Second part, minus 3 by 7 is divided by 5 upon 14. So minus 3 by 7 will remain safe. Division convert into multiplication and reciprocal of the 5 upon 14, that is 14 upon 5. Now 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. Then minus 6 upon 5 will the result. Now third one, the third part is minus 6 is divided by minus 2 upon 9. Student, just remember we have to reciprocal of divisor. This minus 6 upon 1 multiply 9 upon minus 2. Look here two negative sign, then minus minus become plus, and 6 multiply 9 upon 1 multiply 2, that is 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, then 9 3 ja 27 upon 1 is equal to 27. If 1 will come in denominator, we can remove. Now fourth part, minus 18 upon 11 is divided by minus 9. Minus 9 is called 9 upon 1. So minus 18 upon 11 multiply 1 upon minus 9. Again minus minus become plus, and 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. Then 2 upon 11 will the result. I hope you will understand the concept of simplification. The remaining part do by yourself. I will try to solve some part also in this video. Now part number 5th, minus 17 upon 16 is divided by 1. Then if a rational number is divided 1 1, here is a reason, then P upon Q is divided by 1, the result is P by Q. The rational number will remain, so the result is minus 17 upon 16. And the last part, minus 5 upon 12 is divided by minus 4 upon 3. Student, note this, if division and negative comes together, then you can use bracket after division symbol. Then minus 5 upon 12, now multiply, this is the reciprocal. Now minus minus plus, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. then minus 5 plus 5 upon 4 4 ja 16 will the result. First you solve symbol, then product. So I hope you will understand the concept of simplification. If you feel difficult to solve the related part, we will discuss in our live classes. Thank you.